Hey guys, and welcome back to another video where I discuss the best and the greatest news and product reviews for the day. And today we have something very interesting. Well, today we're going to discuss about WhatsApp Business, the free WhatsApp tool catered towards business. Initially it was launched on Android, and after the massive success it has with numerous number of businesses adopting it, now they've launched it on iOS. And today we're going to review it and we'll see why a business needs it. Without further ado, let's get it started. Now, WhatsApp Business is an instant communication tool catered towards business. It is like WhatsApp, but with a set of extra functionality that will help a business organize and make things easy for the business, like giving the time, the location, the operating time, quick replies, tagging the customers, and so on. To make the video more easier, we divided this video into 4 parts. Now the first part is the business profile. Business profile is the face of the business. We're just going to quickly open up WhatsApp. As you see, the screen looks the same with just the additional WA Business, WhatsApp Business written on the top. If you go to the settings area, you see now there's a profile. I click on the profile. You get the profile information, my phone number, and about the company. And you go to the business settings. So the first one we're discussing is the profile. For this example, we're using a company named BlackRock, which I picked up on Canva. Canva is another easy app to use. So in the information, as you see, the profile. So in the profile, there's a name, there's a number, there's a name, there's the address of the establishment, some random location I put out there. There is the business description, the email address, and the website for the business. That's the business profile. So if a person's looking at this business, he will basically see this business details. So when you click on the business details, you see the phone number, the name of the company, the business working hours, the address, the category of the business, the website, and the email address for the business. So it's easier for the customer to access your information as well as you telling about your business to the customer. So it's like more catered towards the business instead, showing the business off. Now the second one is the labels. So furthermore, you can star each message and have them stay stored in one place. So if you can just go to the start messages, you can see all the messages that you have starred. Now, unfortunately, in the iOS app, they've not introduced the idea of labels, but labels also is an amazing thing where you can add customers, you can add messages, categorize messages based on the purchases, the orders, new customer, sales, process of payment, raising of bills, and so on. So you can categorize that as well on an Android app, but on the iOS they've not released that update as yet. Now the third category we are going to discuss is the quick replies. Now they've made it more easy because today, like you see in the settings, we can send away messages outside of business hours or a custom schedule. So outside business hours, I can send a custom message. So thank you for your message, unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. So because today, according to my profile, the store is closed, so as soon as my customer replied, I get a message. The WhatsApp Business sends an automated message to my customer saying that today we're not able to process your request, but we will get back to you shortly, on something like that. So you can do this for a lot of other things as well, like greetings message. So every new recipient gets a new greetings message. Then quick replies, so you can basically add quick replies, like, so I have here /h for hey and /thanks for thanks. So if I'm just going to this and typing / so I get the quick reply, so I can just toggle into one and quickly send it. And automated messages. Now automated messages is when the system automatically generates messages. So you can have a look here. the messaging tools, you can get away messages, greeting messages, and quick replies as a part of the automated messages. So it's pretty easy to set this up and make things easier for your business. When you're working, when you're not working, WhatsApp will handle all your messages. And additionally, you can also send a custom link to your customer when they open it through the browser. They actually redirect it to their WhatsApp and they can directly start to chat with you. So that's pretty cool. Now, what's my review about this app? This app is one of the best business apps in the market available for easy communication with the customer. And it's doing quite a good job where you can categorize your customers, you can reply to them, you can have quick replies, automated messages, and so on and so forth. And with time, I feel WhatsApp will keep adding more features to make this app. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're a first time viewer of this channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep updated of all the latest news and reviews as and when we drop them. Now, if you do like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up right below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to help you out in that. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, see you guys.